All right, so before we get started with our first project, usually the first step in making a project is first off giving it a title. So I'm just going to call this First Scratch Project. Now you'll see here's kind of the general feature of this program. So in the middle here we've got all of our blocks, which are going to create basically our code. This right-hand side is where we're going to put all of our blocks to make our code, and everything we design this program to do will be shown right here on this screen. So the very first thing is this cat here is called Scratchy Cat. This is kind of the face of Scratch. So the first thing you can do is you can actually come down here and hit this little guy, and you can choose your own sprite. So a sprite is another word in this program for a character. So I'm going to choose, let's see, we'll pick this polar bear, and I'll hit OK. Now you'll see we've got a couple characters here. We can grab these, we can move them around, we can make them grow by just clicking, we can make them shrink by clicking again. Now you'll see we'll move back and forth between these characters. Another important feature is I want something more pretty than this white background. So I'm going to come down here where it says new background, and you'll notice stage is the background of our project. So I'm going to select this picture right here. And again, just like the sprites or the characters, there's many different pre-loaded backgrounds in here that you can choose from. There's categories on the side. I'm just on all. For the sake of our project here, I'm going to choose this XY grid. Now, we have got our background and we've got two characters here. You can load this down here with many, many different characters. You can also add more backgrounds. So once you have chosen a background and a couple sprites or one sprite, you are ready to get going with the next all blocks introduction.